Hey scientists, it's Kanisha again, and Mia's birthday is coming up. I wanted to surprise her with a party in the science studio, but some of my decorations keep falling down. Why do things fall to the ground anyway? And why do some things fall more slowly than others? Let's investigate why things fall down. Maybe that will help me figure out how to keep things up. Let's investigate how things fall together. I'll hold my paintbrush and you hold your pencil, and we'll observe what happens when we let go. 1, 2, 3. Mine fell. It was pulled straight down to the floor. If you dropped it over a desk or a table, it might have stopped there too. That's because of a special force called gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything toward the earth beneath our feet. It's the reason we don't just float away into the sky. Okay, so even if I use my force to throw this paintbrush up, gravity will pull it back down to the earth. Imagine for a moment what this experiment might look like without gravity. Where do you think my paintbrush or your pencil would go? Pause the video and draw a picture in your science sketchbook of what it might look like if we let go of something without gravity to pull it back down. I'll show you when we get back. This is what it looks like when astronauts let go of objects in space. Nothing stays in place unless they hold it down. Remember that gravity is a special force on Earth. So in outer space, our paintbrush would just float away. But here on Earth, gravity keeps things grounded. When we jump up, we fall back down. When we let go of our pencil, it falls to the table. And when we tip our paint bucket over, the paint pours down. Do you think heavy objects fall faster than light objects? I also have this paint bucket. It's much heavier than the paintbrush. Will the paint bucket fall faster, slower, or at the same speed as the paintbrush? Watch and see. Wow! They hit the ground at the same time. That's because gravity pulls everything with the same amount of force. Heavy things fall just as quickly as light things. But sometimes things fall to the ground more slowly, don't they? Like this feather. Watch as I drop it and the paintbrush at the same time. Which do you think will fall more slowly? Pause and predict which will fall to the ground last. Then we'll see what happens when you get back. This time, the feather was slower. That's because of its shape. Objects that are flat and spread out can fall more slowly than objects that are dense or packed tightly together. Can you think of something else that falls more slowly because of its flat, wide shape? Parachutes, sheets and blankets, and party confetti all float to the ground more slowly because of their flat shapes. The air around these shapes works as another force against gravity's pull. Gravity wins in the end, but the flat shape helps slow down the pull to the ground. And one more thing. Have you noticed my balloons aren't falling to the ground at all? Why do you think that is? Birthday balloons can be filled with a special gas called helium. It's lighter than air. Gravity doesn't pull them because they're too light. If we don't hold them down, they'll float away. When we blow up balloons with our air, we spread out the shape. They float a little and fall slowly to the ground like a feather. I think to get my birthday banner to stop falling, I'll need to attach it to the wall with something strong like sticky tape or a tack. Let me fix up a few things and then I'll show you when it's ready. All done. Now the birthday banner won't fall down because it's attached to the wall. The balloons are floating lighter than air and the confetti will shimmer as it falls slowly to the ground. Oh, Mia's coming. Are you ready? Surprise! Happy birthday, Mia! Thanks for your help today, scientist. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the science studio.
Hey, hey.